Managing infrastructure data is easy, but keeping it accurate is key. Today, I'll show you how to edit and update point information on a map using MAPOG. First, log in to story.mapog.com and open your existing map with last month's January installations. Instead of starting from scratch, we'll update the same map to keep all data along with February installation in one place. Next, prepare your updated Excel file with client names, addresses, installation dates, alarm types, and coordinates. Go to Add Story, add by uploading CSV/Excel. Define attributes. Now, create a new location type under Select Point Type Settings. Add attributes like client name, address, status, and save. This makes your map informative and actionable. After uploading, select your unique ID from the drop-down and use the Ignore Duplicate Points option. This removes repeated entries, keeping only one clean record per location. It avoids clutter and ensures accurate analysis. After that, match other columns including coordinates with Excel data and submit. And that's it. You've successfully updated your fire alarm installation map. Simplify planning and help teams make better decisions. Start updating your maps today with MAPOG. Want to map your own story? Head to story.mapog.com and start exploring. Like and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. And reach out anytime at support@mapog.com.